Well, what's up, YouTube? This is the Priester family. You have me, Ashley,
Tavares, and Anastasia.
And you guys, today the kids are cooking dinner. They are making pizza rolls. You guys want to tell them what's in your pizza rolls?
Okay, so we're making pizza rolls. We got biscuits. They're called flaky.
We got the pizza sauce,
cheese, Mexican cheese.
We got pepperoni.
Okay, and what's the first step?
The first step is make sure your hands are clean, but we wash our hands already.
The first step is the what?
Open the biscuits.
Okay, so open the biscuits. No, pull that. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, that's not good.
No, pull the red right here. Pull this right here.
Right there.
So we bought 2 other biscuits, but we're only gonna see how much. We're gonna see if one is enough. Now pull it.
Wait, do it pop open still?
It should.
If I did it
Turn it this way.
No,
you don't need to worry about that. Pop.
There we go.
Okay.
Ouch!
You hurt yourself?
It popped hard on my hand.
Okay. Put the biscuits on the plate.
That's more than I thought. I thought it was just one big block.
No, it's gonna be. So we don't gotta use both of them. We can use the other one for like Saturday morning.
I want to try to pop it. The other one.
We can do it Saturday.
I can't get that one.
So
Tell me how you make it. All of them?
Mm-hmm.
You got this one for me.
So you supposed to be helping her, not
I
me.
know, I was yarning.
Okay, thank you.
But you're the adult, so you're supposed to be helping with this operation.
Use your hand
That's
to take
not
them
yours.
apart.
This one.
Okay, so what's the first step y'all gonna do?
So we're gonna cut it in pluses.
Cut it into 4s.
Yep. So this like a plus sign. This is the first thing she did.
Oh, he forgot to wash his hands.
But I ain't touched nothing though. I was trying to cut
Now
it.
your hands gonna be sticky. Go dry them.
But not.
Go look in there. So Anastasia, what are you doing?
Cutting this way first, like down first, and then I want to push it back together a little and cut it like this. So stupid. See, this is why I don't always make biscuits, but sometimes I like to make biscuits. Okay, I'm back. Okay, no, we're just gonna rip this because it's not.
If y'all gotta rip it, just rip it. Y'all don't gotta be fancy. Remember this
Can we do this? It's dirty.
our YouTube channel is like real life. We're not trying to be fancy or something that we're not. So if you gotta just rip it, just rip it.
So just make them all into little balls.
But it's not gonna dry this off, so?
No, just rip it. It's Anastasia say it's easier just to rip it.
You ain't gotta go through bad struggle with it.
So let me see what you did. So she just took the biscuit and cut it into, ripped it into 4 little pieces.
And then made it into a ball.
You don't gotta make it into a ball. Just rip it.
That is so scratchy.
Dude, that's too small.
I know, I was
Rip it in half.
And then rip it into 4s.
They all not gonna. The exact one's probably not gonna be by each other, but.
What are you
too
doing?
small.
They too small.
There we go. There go some big pieces.
You only need 4 pieces out of it. Rip it in half.
Oops.
Then rip the half in half.
That was perfect. Actually.
So you guys, this is a quick meal that you can do with your kids. It probably take like however long it take for the biscuits to cook. Anastasia, how long does it take for the biscuits to cook? Look on the other one. Behind the chips.
It says you heat oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and you bake it 8 to 11 minutes.
Okay, so less than 15 minutes, you guys. And this is something that you could do with the kids. And I said in a previous video that it was over $10, but that's because I went to Publix. If you shop at like Walmart or Aldi or something like that, it won't be as expensive. It'll be like $7. It would be considered a $10 meal. So you can start putting them in here if you want to. So now what Junior's gonna do is he's gonna take the balls and put the balls into this white clear container. Just drop them in there.
This one wasn't poured.
So I can start putting
just put this in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So just drop them in there.
No matter who don't, no matter if they connect.
I said just set the oven to 450.
Oh, it's connect.
No, wait a
they
second.
connect.
It's okay.
You want that?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
I can't reach over. I'm sure.
I can.
We gonna let Mama do it. So you don't make a mess. Well, not make a mess. You know what I mean.
And then while I'm doing the oven, you guys can cut the pepperonis in half. I think I got mini pepperonis. Did I?
No, they're regular.
They regular. So just cut the pepperoni like in half, just one time.
Okay.
So they put all the y'all think we gonna need more biscuits?
No.
Yes.
Wait, yeah, cause what about Daddy?
Yeah,
You
we
wanna
can't
do
forget
it?
about
Just
that.
get it hard on this. So you ain't gotta
Take
do
the
it
thing
The
off
way you
first.
did it.
So I can hit my fingers.
It's not gonna pop for me, see?
Sometimes. Oh,
There we go.
why? Every time they do it, I jump.
I know
Me
if
too,
it be
that's
doing,
scary.
it's too late. If you late, delay.
Like, they do when you least expect it to. Well, we got more biscuit. We
So just do those really fast, you guys. Okay?
We should never did the whole entire package because we could have saved
Nope,
some for
not this
Sunday.
far.
It's all right.
We still have
We
this
can
one
go
for Sunday.
we going grocery shopping anyways.
We can still have this for Sunday.
No, you're not eating this tonight.
1, 2.
And what if we eat all of it?
And y'all can eat it tomorrow for lunch.
Yeah, if we don't eat all of it.
Then it's
for
going in the
lunch.
garbage, smart butt. Make sure you ball in it.
Well, I gotta be
I'm gonna
bald.
roll it so like it can.
It don't
actually
gotta be that tight. Just roll it in.
Like I said, it's not, you don't need to be fancy.
Why you don't need to be fancy?
Because ain't nobody in the world perfect.
Ain't nobody in the world perfect. And on this channel, we just keep it what?
100%.
100% what?
Real?
Real. We not fancy and we don't try to act fancy like
Or we don't act bougie.
bougie.
I'm bougie.
You
You.
bougie, Junior.
How am I bougie?
How is Anna bougie?
Because she always acting bougie.
What's acting bougie? Show me what's
She
acting
wearing
bougie.
shorty short shorts.
That's called ghetto. First
That's
of all.
called ghetto.
Yes, and
Kids say the darndest things.
I be like I wear that in the house. Like I'm not going outside. What's the point of getting nice?
Junior,
Please
do
don't
this
get your
one.
handprints in there. Please don't stick your dirty hands in our food.
Boy, I wash my hands.
I'm making everybody a fancy pepperoni or pizza.
You gotta take pictures on Saturday.
I'm not combing my hair out.
Yes, you is. You
Oh,
is
no,
coming.
I'm not.
Oh, yes, you is. You gonna
Oh,
get it
yes,
cut
you
off.
Oh no, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
Yes, you is.
You bet your
You
sweet
ain't
baby
finna-
I'm not.
You ain't finna embarrass me like that.
What you gonna wear for pictures? You gotta go. You and your daddy gotta go shopping for.
Oh,
I'm wearing me a
What?
black suit.
You wearing a suit.
Yes.
Last time you wore a suit, I don't even know what happened to the suit.
Okay, guys. So now the kids have finished putting the biscuits into this bowl. Now they are going to cut the pepperoni. They're using butter knives, so this may take a while.
I'm gonna go switch to a sharper knife.
Well, I might cut it then. If you gonna use a sharper knife, I don't trust y'all.
You can trust me, Mom. I'm 10 years old and I'm good with blades.
You what?
He good with blade. He said he good with blades. He used it before.
You used what before?
A knife. Like you did. too.
Pepperoni is good.
This is something that I like to eat.
Just cut it in half. Don't cut it in fours.
Oh, okay.
There's no peach.
Ooh. Okay, so they cutting the pepperoni into fours instead of into half.
You just should have said we cut it into fours instead of twos.
Into the half.
So we just cut it into 4 halves instead of
A half.
twos.
What?
Instead of 2 whole.
2 halves.
Come on, just stop correcting
Okay,
me,
we cut it
please.
into fours instead of cutting into 2 halves.
Because you don't know what you're talking
Watch
about.
out for your fingers, Anastasia.
Yeah, I don't know why she let you use that kind.
I should let you use that kind.
Because I have experience.
Okay, now y'all got 2 options. Y'all can put the tomatoes, the pizza sauce inside, or y'all can use the pizza sauce as a dip, but we can season it up and like. I think it should be a dip because
Oh yeah.
if you mix it all together, that's gonna get messy.
Yeah.
And some people
You cut them all up in half? I mean, in fours?
No. And plus, I'm not gonna.
Okay, so now the pepperoni is all cut up. The biscuits are in little balls. So what they're gonna do is add the pepperoni and the cheese to the
all the cheese.
let's just do a little bit at a time to the what do you call this, biscuits, And over here, we decided to season up the pizza sauce, and we're gonna use it as a dip. Okay, you guys, go ahead.
Okay. Pepperoni first because I want it to be.
It don't matter because you're gonna mix it with your hands.
Oh yeah.
Just dump it, y'all.
Okay. I'm not dumping this because I don't want to make a mess.
There ain't no cheese coming out.
Give me the cheese. The entire thing just almost came out.
Okay, now mix it up.
The entire thing came out.
Uh-oh, that's fine. Okay, it's gonna be
We
just
can take it
cheesy.
out.
No. Go ahead and just mix it up. So you want to get all the bread at the bottom, mix up with all the stuff at the top. Don't make a mess.
Please don't make a mess. Please don't make.
These
are
could end up turning into a big giant thing.
Yeah, because the
I can
bread
already
is
tell.
not stuck together. Like
Make sure I get it mixed real good.
You got a lot of cheese at the bottom of this thing. Like a lot
And
of cheese.
we should have took some cheese out.
It's okay.
We gotta order some more pepperoni because we used it all. And for someone hungry, some pepperoni here.
Okay, now, so what you're gonna do is hold the camera, Junior, over here on the food. Really?
What?
I see you. So what you're gonna do is take some cheese, some bread, and some pepperoni, and kind of mix it up
It
together
looks so
like
good
this.
on the camera. Look.
So you're gonna do it like this in a ball. See how I did it?
Oh yeah, let me do it.
And then you're gonna stick it in here, like that.
Okay, bet.
See? Hold the camera.
Gotcha.
Like this, you guys.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Little more bread, because that's not enough bread.
So y'all go ahead and mix it all up.
Okay.
I'm gonna be over here working with the pizza sauce.
Anybody go check on Lulu, do we?
Yeah, just check on her.
Mr. do we?
So Lulu, that's baby Kalia. She is sleeping, so we are
trying to
cooking.
Be a little quiet because not need her waking up. She's aggravated.
My baby is not
She
aggravating.
just
boy.
like fussy right now.
She don't feel good.
Yeah, she got
Okay,
small-
she picking up her head. Just be a little quiet.
Your ball should actually look like this.
That's how you doing yours?
Yeah.
I said you could do yours bigger.
Like for dad. 'Cause
You got
he eats
pepperoni and
a lot.
stuff in there?
One piece of pepperoni, no, like two.
Gee, that's too big.
For real, what you
Trust
gonna
me,
do?
it's
Feed
not
a
too
giant?
No.
You gonna break it in half? That's too big. Break it
sure?
in half. Yeah.
All right. If you say so.
There you go.
That's too
Wait,
big.
hold on.
No, that's
Use
good.
this, please.
Some more pepperoni because it's not enough pepperoni.
So you guys like this recipe that we doing?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to. Oh, me and Jer can do this. Like,
Y'all getting
Look
cheese
at
in
the
there?
refrigerator.
What? Oh, the spaghetti
hot.
sauce on you? That's the talking junk all week to your mama.
And what you chewing?
nothing. That's you smacking us.
Y'all stop stealing the stuff.
What?
I like pepperoni, so it's not my fault.
You didn't catch.
And said stop.
You never caught me doing it.
It ain't gonna be no pepperoni inside the thing.
Yes, it will. Cause she only taking a little bit.
Man, you better. I like pepperoni. Not on my pizza, no.
This is a good meal because it's not messy. They kids not gonna tear your kitchen up.
Oh yeah.
And they
trust
having
me, If
fun.
you wasn't here,
Yeah,
was
trust
doing
me,
this.
we would.
Yeah.
We'd throw stuff all over the place. Wait the baby up. She already woke up.
Okay, you guys, this is how the finished, well, it's not finished, but this is how it looks before it goes into the oven. I'm just going to add a little bit more biscuit to some of these. This is what 2 things of biscuit. It's a whole pack of macaroni, a whole pack of pepperoni, and a whole pack of the 8 ounce of the Mexican 4 cheeses. So this is how much is left over. We're going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. And Anastasia said it takes about 14 to 16 minutes.
No.
What you said?
18, 11 minutes.
8 to 11 minutes?
Yeah.
On 4.
So we're gonna put them on 24 minutes.
On 4. What? If you put them on 24 minutes, it's going to burn.
Trust
So-
me, I'm an expert.
Okay, so he want to put it on 24 minutes. They're going to be burnt. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, I just want to show you real quick. If you don't like cooking with your kids because you're scared of the mess they're going to make, we literally made no mess. There's like no mess. Just a little pieces of cheese, but it's on the plate. So this is a mess-free thing that you can do with the kids.
Put this mask off.
Okay, you guys, so we are, woo, that's bright.
You're in here.
Leah, what are you doing to your sister?
He's abusing. It's not funny.
What you doing to your sister, Leah?
Say nothing.
What you doing?
I'm scared of her.
Say nothing.
What you doing, Mama? You pulling her hair? You pulling her hair?
Say no.
Okay, you guys. So the kids are done cooking. What's that noise? Oh, the timer. The kids are done cooking, and this is what they look like. They are so stinking cute. Y'all ready to try one?
Look at she using her hand over there.
Kalia, you can't have one. Okay, y'all go ahead and try one.
I don't want to put her on. She hurting my
I'm gonna get this one.
These look.
This
Hold
one
on.
look nothing like Hot Pockets.
They're not supposed to be hot pockets.
I mean, not Hot Pockets. These don't look nothing like pizza rolls.
Well, they pizza
They look
muffins.
like pizza. Yeah. It's hot.
I can't see your face or your expression.
It's hot. I got hot.
Yeah,
it's
hot.
more.
Into one.
Go ahead.
I'm making something
It's
around.
hot.
No, not yet.
Okay, so I'm gonna taste our famous
Pizza
what was that?
muffins.
Yeah, pizza muffins.
Whose one is this one?
And the shoe just
Piece of mine.
3,
Oh.
2.
Why you don't need the stuff out and then that's it?
I wasn't. It was hot. I just bit it.
Oh.
You guys wanna taste it?
That's so good.
Y'all like it?
Yeah. So yeah, Kalia can have none.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's like she can't have none.
Why'd you pulling her
Why
hair?
you keep doing that?
Stop pulling your sister's hair, Kalia.
When you get older, no. When you get older, and pull your
That's the
hair
one I
out.
had. Okay, you guys. So here is the marinara sauce that we made.
And you remember what I did to Mama?
Yeah.
In the other video, I did like this to her hair. In the cake video, go check that out. I did like this. At the end, I did like this to her hair.
In what video?
In the
cake
cake
video.
video that we just did.
You pull my hair?
Yeah,
did like
you
this,
he
you did
got
like
your
this.
ponytail.
Oh.
But you wasn't gonna hit me. I'm big and tough. I got abs like nothing. Look. Abs.
Let me go to the gym.
You failed to take me.
Oh,
The sauce spicy. I made it too spicy.
Yeah. I already taste the sauce.
No, you didn't.
I'm doing it for the sake of the video.
Okay, well, put it in there for the sake of the video.
Okay, y'all see this sauce?
Ain't hardly nothing on there.
Okay, you want me to dip it like this?
Yeah.
No, you,
Wow.
you just said it's too spicy. And why would you do that? Ah!
Oh, you all right?
is that hot?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
smoking.
Stick your finger in
Jinx
your
Hill,
mouth.
Minnesota.
All right.
Great, and you just jinxed everything. How?
How are you guys? This is our
That's good, man.
snack for today.
I'm gonna dip your head in there.
You guys, anything you want to tell your subscribers? Let's tell the subscribers thank you so much for rocking with us. Thank you so much. We're on the road to becoming monetized. You guys keep watching these videos.
I was
Keep,
gonna say demonetized.
what's wrong with you now?
I just burned my hand.
I was gonna say we on our way to be demonetized.
Keep liking our videos. Keep subscribing to our videos. Keep commenting in those comments. And share our stuff, y'all. Share our stuff. Share.
Oh my god.
All right, you guys. We gotta go.
Mom, what? No.
This is from the Fisher family. Love you guys and bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.